Business Getting Back to Business, your resource for reopening. What's up, everyone? I am the OG office guy. Before we jump into your business, getting back to your business, my name is Joe Feeser. And if you'd like to learn more about me, go check out my introduction video. I'll put a link to that video below for you. Now, I need to take care of a little business. If you're new to my channel, please hammer the subscribe button below and click on the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Hey, let's jump right in. So you may or may not believe everything that is going on with Covid-19, and honestly, who knows what to believe with what the media puts out. With that being said, this is definitely changing the way companies do business for who knows how long. So I'm hoping this video will help you with some tips moving forward. Hey, drop me a comment below if you have a tip for getting your business back up and running safely. So let's start with the consultation. As safety and cleaning standards are changing in the workplace, I want to help you create an environment that your employees feel safe in. In addition to disinfecting and sanitizing tips, I want to cover how to efficiently maintain a healthy and safe workplace from break room to bathroom and everything in between. Are you set up for social distancing? Reopening safely means you may have to redesign your workplace. Over the years, I've created effective workstations for many clients, and I believe these helpful tips will help adapt yours for today's guidelines. Spreading out and reorientating workstations, adding screens and panels, retrofitting workspaces, and reconfiguring floor plans. How about we ease the transition? Whether you need to look at a mounted barrier or a whole system of portable walls, freestanding, mounted, or hanging barriers, portable clear barrier walls with wheel options, or portable opaque privacy walls with wheel options. Prepare for protection and prevention. Infection control is going to be the key factor when reopening your business. Incorporating health screenings, keeping PPE supplies ready, adding hands-free dispensing, and reducing touch points are essential. This will help your business minimize transmission. These products would include masks, sanitizers, disinfecting wipes, and screening equipment. I'm not going to go over all the individual products in this video, but you can check out my video in the link below for my top 10 COVID products that's essential for your business reopening. Clearly communicate. The workplace is changing, and it will be important to keep your workforce informed. Signage and boards are a smart way to communicate new protocols, social distancing reminders, cleaning guidelines, and hallway traffic flow. Make sure you plan for future safety supplies. Cleaning is critical to providing a safe return to work. If you need to update your space for new cleaning standards, make this top priority. As I mentioned before, PPE disinfectants and sanitizers will now be a workplace staple, and you'll want to keep at least a 30-day supply on hand. Storage cabinets, dispensing, and disposal solutions will help you manage these supplies and provide easy access in public areas and also at personal workspaces. Now, I want to cover a few items that seem simple, but some of your employees may not know the proper way to sanitize, proper hand washing, and the science of paper towels. Let's cover the steps for proper hand sanitizing. You should sanitize for a total of 20 to 30 seconds. Step 1. Dispense 1 dose of hand sanitizer into your cupped hands. Step 2. Rub your hands to palm. Step 3. Take your right hand and put it over the top of your left hand and rub with your fingers interlaced, and then repeat the process for your other hand. Step 4, palm to palm, rub your hands. Step 5, backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Step 6, rotational rubbing of your left thumb into your right palm and then vice versa. Step 7, rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with collapsed fingers of right hand in left palm and then vice versa. And step 8, once your hands are dry, you are safe. Again, this seems so basic, but let's cover the proper steps for hand washing. You should wash your hands for a total of 60 seconds. And there's some additional tips here that we should go over. Clean your hands regularly. Wash your hands with soap and water and dry them thoroughly. And use alcohol-based hand rub sanitizer if you don't have immediate access to soap and water. Step 1, wet hands with water. Step 2, apply enough soap to cover your hands thoroughly. Step 3, rub your hands palm to palm. Step 4, take your right hand again over your left hand, interlock your fingers and rub. And then repeat that process with your left hand over your right. Step 5, fingers interlock palm to palm. Step 6, backs of fingers to opposing palm with your fingers interlocked. Step 7, rotational rubbing of your left thumb into your right palm, and then repeat the process. Step 8, rotational rubbing backwards and forwards of your right fingers into your left palm, and repeat the process for your left fingers into your right palm. Step 9, rinse your hands with water. Step 10, dry your hands thoroughly with a single-use towel. Step 11, a lot of people don't do this. Take the towel and turn off the water. And step 12, your hands are now safe. The science is clear. Paper towels are the most hygienic option for hand drying. Now there's a lot of studies out there that actually link to this. The Mayo Clinic Proceedings, the Journal of Hospital Infections, and the Journal of Microbiology, to name a few. Now, I'm not going to go into the science, but you can search that on the internet and read about it. I highly suggest reading about it. It'll help you make a determination of your own. Single-use paper towels offer the most effective and most hygienic hand washing solution compared to jet air dryers. Paper towels are critical to proper hand hygiene. They can remove up to 77% of bacteria that remains on your hands after washing. Did you know that the inner surface of an air dryer can harbor up to 48 times more bacteria than found on a toilet seat? Jet air dryers blow droplets containing bacteria from the hands as far as 6.5 feet and can linger in the air for up to 15 minutes. Jet air dryers can actually increase bacteria by 42% on users' fingers during the drying process. Did you know that single-use paper towels are used in patient safety instructions for healthcare workers? 90% of the people show a preference of paper towels over jet air dryers in the washroom. 90%. That's crucial. Hey, I hope these tips help your business get back to business. If you like what the OG channel is all about, please go ahead and subscribe below. If you'd like to get more information on anything I talked about today, you can email me at that's OG, the office guy, at gmail.com. Hey, remember, it's your business, your workplace. Thanks for watching. I am the OG, baby. Office guy.